Hello everyone, this is question number 875. Coco eats banana. Here we have given an array and h is the time when guard is written, and these are some boxes where bananas are stored. In the first box there are 3 bananas, in the second box there are 6 bananas, in the third box there are 7 bananas, and in the fourth box there are 11 bananas. There is a Coco, which is I think is monkey, and they go in each box and eat n number of bananas. N is that number that he can eat maximum number of bananas, means he can eat more than 4 bananas, but the time become less than 8. He took time less than 8 and eat more number of bananas. And if he less than n is the time when it exactly eats all the bananas in 8 hours or something less than 8 hours. But if it is become less than 8 hours, then n is become greater, and if n is less, then it took more time to eat the bananas. Okay, so we have to find that n in which he can eat all the bananas and take exactly 8 hours or something less than 8 hours. Okay, also there is also a condition that in each box he can eat if the number of bananas in the box is less than n, so he can eat that number of bananas. Not he took whole 1 hour for eating that less bananas. Just like take n is equal to 4, so he took first hour to eat 3 bananas, take 2 hours to eat 6 bananas, because in first hour he ate 4 bananas, second hour 2 bananas. In third he take 4 bananas and then left 3 out in the second hour, and here is he 3 bananas. The total hour is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, that will equal to 3 to 5 plus 2 7 plus 8. So it took 8 hours total time to eat all bananas. So 4 is your answer. Okay, so how can we solve it? So we can solve this question easily by taking the maximum of this array, because this is the maximum per hour bananas. 11 is the maximum per hour bananas that he can eat. So our search space is between 1 to 11, and we have to apply the binary search between 1 and 11 and check. Let's 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 divided by 2, that will equal to 6. If he eats 6 bananas per hour, then its time is become less than 8. Is less than 8. So we have to decrease the number of bananas per hour they can eat. So we have to make right is equal to mid minus 1. So we have to decrease from 6, and if it become greater than 8, if number of bananas he eats per hour become greater than 8, so we have to do left is equal to mid plus 1. So by this we can get your answer. Let's see the code for that. Here we first want to find the maximum number in the array. So we have created here find the maxi piles I. Okay, so maxi is the maximum number in the array. We have created left equal to 1 and right equal to maxi, that is our search space, while left is less than equal to right. Here we find mid, long is equal to sum is equal to 0, because it can overflow if it is an int. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If piles I, if here we find the sum for the mid, if this sum is less than equal to h, so right is equal to mid minus 1, and if this sum is greater than h, we have do left is equal to mid plus 1. After that we can return left. Okay, thanks.